how to use effects on TikTok videos. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use effects on TikTok videos. First, go to your TikTok, tap on post, tap on upload, and choose one video. Now I'm gonna click on effect, and like you see, there is a lot of effects: zoom, glitch, and bling, anything you want. I'm gonna tap on zoom, and after that I'm gonna tap on glitch. Now let's see. And also I can put any effect I want. If you are done, tap on save and tap next, and you can post your video. So this is it guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.